is to connect your Fusion Trader and your FX Signals Live. We've now, you know, connected this one as our you know, manual trades and swipe trades. Okay, we're now going to connect, you know, this account as our Fusion Trader and this one as our FX Signals Live. Okay, what you're going to do then is you're going to go into www.fxsignalslive.com, and all you're really going to do is you're going to go into trades. You're going to have a look at all the different master traders that we have got. You know, we've got Professor Waves, Cross Pairs and Pips, Smooth Sterling, and the Profit. Okay, and as you can see, you know, Professor Waves has, you know, his account has grown by 171% in 45 weeks. You can select any one of these master traders. If you want more information, you simply click on them and it will give you all the information about this trader. Okay, so he's a medium risk. He's, you know, traded with a real live account, and you can see all his results since day one. So you can see how the account has been going. You know, he's had very little drawdown. He's done 717 trades to date with a 69.74 winning rate, which is really, really good. And as you can see, this is the trading for today. He's only made one trade, and that's 100% successful with only 1.21% drawdown. And this account has grown by 0.03 in just today. Most banks don't even give you 0.001, okay? So that just goes to show you how powerful this is. Last week, he's done 10 trades, 7 out of 10 were successful, okay? With a 70% win streak, and that account has grown. Your account would have grown by 0.24, you know, if you were trading with that account, okay, guys? So as you can see, he started off with a $10,000 account. His now total profit is 17,176, and his balance right now is, current balance is 27,176. So if you like to look at this trader, you simply just go into login. Same thing with Fusion Trader, okay? So Fusion, IML, Fusion. Every product has its own website. We don't use any third-party softwares, okay? And you're gonna do the exact same thing with this one, but with a different account. So this one I would have used for FX Signals Live, and now I would use this one here for the Fusion Trader. And with the Fusion Trader, exact same thing. Click on traders, find the relative trader that you like and that you want to connect with. And as you can see, these two are high risk, this two are medium risk, and Yoda is low risk. If you decided you want to use Yoda, which is low risk, you can click on Yoda, see his results, and connect with this account, okay? It's really, really that simple. Okay, that is really that simple how to connect with the automation side of the things. The next step is basically